40% Africa, and the world stands on the edge. By the year 2100, 4 out of 10 people will be African. 2 billion souls, soon 3, and ultimately 4. But what kind of 40% will that be? 40% educated, confident, globally connected, or 40% frustrated, underemployed, potential neglected? 40% living in peace and stability, or in fragile zones scarred by conflict and hostility. 40% rooted in nature, embracing sustainability, or swept into waste, extraction, overconsumption's brutality. 40% nourished, strong and self-reliant, or 40% hungry, overlooked, voices silent. 40 bringing light to the world stage, or forced to carry imbalance, bury others' rage. 40 shaping decisions at the top tier, or suffering consequences, bottom bound, unclear. We talk about everything: climate summits, gender debates, religious tensions, wars, TikTok, AI's fates. But what we don't face, honestly, is what lies ahead inevitably. 40% of the world's population will be African. And what happens if these 40% are ignored? Their voices don't count, their schools, jobs, cities collapse, while the world obsesses over lithium, CO2 certificates, empty talk perhaps. What happens when young people see no future's light? Girls find no safety in the night, and hunger remains a constant fight. Then we don't need another climate tipping point. Society itself will tip, not just there. Here numbers don't lie. Sudan, 15 million displaced. Sahel, 1 heads. North each minute trace. Nigeria, 90 million youth in 20 years. Space. With scan opportunities to embrace. Only 3 million formal jobs created each year, but over 30 million are needed clear. If we let these 40% be left behind in the world's waste and in powerful indifference and government's impotence, then the world falls with them. The question is no longer what can Africa learn from us, but what happens if we learn nothing from Africa and keep turning our backs? If we ignore them again, the world stands on the branch Africa holds, and that branch is cracking. And if that branch breaks, then we're all fucked. Fuck for real, we are all fucked. 40% Africa, and the world stands on the edge. We need to take this seriously now, or there will be no tomorrow. Africa was the beginning, and Africa could be the end. 100% Africa now, 100% future, or nothing.